Buckle up, space fans, because we're about to dive into a galaxy of mysteries. There's some seriously mind-blowing stuff lurking in our cosmic backyard, and today, we're shining a light on the top 10 space discoveries that are leaving scientists stunned. From Mars' hidden secrets to otherworldly phenomena, let's embark on this intergalactic journey together. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, NASA's Curiosity rover made its historic landing on the Red Planet in August 2012, and since then, it has been uncovering clues about life on Mars. Was our neighbor ever habitable? Can humans one day call Mars home? The Curiosity rover is on a mission to find out. Get ready for some mind-blowing Martian moments. NASA's Curiosity rover has uncovered some serious wow factors since landing on the Red Planet. From finding ancient river-rounded pebbles that prove water once flowed on Mars, to sniffing out present-day methane in the atmosphere. We're talking a potential source of energy right there. And if that wasn't enough, it discovered the essential building blocks for human life: sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon. With these elements on hand, could Mars one day become our new home? The Curiosity rover is showing us it's definitely possible. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts. In '77, NASA seized an astronomical opportunity with the alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager 1 blasted off to investigate Jupiter and Saturn, while its twin Voyager 2 explored the mysteries of Neptune and Uranus. This double mission marked history's largest unmanned space expedition and uncovered almost everything we know about these four gas giants today. One of the most jaw-dropping discoveries. Voyager 1 became humanity's first ever object to venture into interstellar space. Talk about a cosmic milestone. The duo also unveiled a faint ring encircling Jupiter, plus two brand new moons orbiting it, Thebe and Metis. Buckle up, space fans. Let's blast off into some mind-blowing discoveries. Voyager 2 took a thrilling trip through our solar system, making history as the first human-made object to fly around Uranus and snag 10 new moons, plus two stunning rings along the way. Then it visited Neptune, unearthing 5 moons, 4 dazzling rings, and an epic great dark spot. Meanwhile, on Earth, NASA was gearing up for its own cosmic adventure. In January 2005, they launched Deep Impact, a space probe designed to uncover the secrets of Comet Tempel 1, capturing over 500,000 out-of-this-world images throughout its incredible journey. Get ready for some out-of-this-world news. After making awesome discoveries about comets being super light on their feet due to porous surfaces and hyperactive thanks to carbon dioxide, the Deep Impact mission really went big, literally by crashing into Tempel 1's nucleus and unleashing a massive dust explosion. But it wasn't until this year that we finally witnessed something truly groundbreaking. The Philae spacecraft boldly landed on a comet, marking a historic first for human-made machines. Fast forward 10 years from that groundbreaking space mission, it's November 12, 2014, and history is made as Philae successfully lands on Comet 67P, an achievement that wasn't a smooth ride though, bouncing twice in the process. Despite this, Philae managed to send back valuable data about the comet's composition, helping scientists uncover what lies beneath its surface. They discovered some pretty pungent stuff like hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen cyanide, and ammonia. No wonder it smells like rotten eggs or urine. But here's a surprise: they also found amino acids called glycine on this ancient comet. And just when you thought we were alone in our solar system, scientists made another incredible discovery in 2005. A star named GM Aurigae with surroundings eerily similar to ours, sparking hope for the possibility of life beyond Earth. Check out this mind-blowing artist's impression of GM Aurigae, a star that's an exact double of our very own sun. Scientists think it could be harboring its own planets, just like Earth revolves around the sun. The exciting possibility is that one of these planets might support life, or even host living organisms right now. What's more, GM Aurigae has a stunning ring system made up of dust and a noticeable gap, a clear sign of planetary formation in action. As we explore this celestial twin, we're essentially getting a peek at what our solar system looked like millions of years ago when the sun was much younger. Get ready for a cosmic mind blow. Just like there are mysteries on Earth waiting to be unraveled, who knows what mind-boggling secrets are floating out there in space? Let's blast off to number 5 and dive into the fascinating world of exoplanets, planets that aren't part of our own solar system. The first whispers about these distant worlds date back as far as 1917, but were initially dismissed by scientists like a hidden message in an unsolved puzzle. Fast forward to 1992 when two trailblazing radio astronomers, Dale Frail and Alexander Wolzin, discovered not one but 2 exoplanets outside our cosmic neighborhood. Their groundbreaking finding was later confirmed by fellow space sleuths, igniting a firestorm of research that shattered the barriers of space exploration and opened up new frontiers in understanding the universe beyond our own solar system. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. The universe just got a whole lot bigger, literally. In just 3 decades, we've gone from clueless about exoplanets to uncovering an astonishing 4, 6, and 87 of them as of 2021. That's what happens when human curiosity meets cutting-edge tech, and trust me, the best is yet to come. Let's dive into one mind-blowing discovery that changed everything: Proxima B, a superstar in its own right. This remarkable journey began with astronomer Miko Tuomi from the University of Hertfordshire, who first hinted at its existence back in 2013. By August 24, 2016, a global team of 31 brilliant scientists joined forces to officially reveal this incredible find to the world. Get ready to blast off into the cosmos. Proxima B is rocking our neighborhood in space. It's the closest known exoplanet, orbiting its buddy star Proxima Centauri, which just so happens to be the nearest star to our solar system. This alien world is roughly 1.2 times the size of Earth, and scientists are on a mission to uncover how similar it might really be to home sweet Earth, making it a super-Earth candidate. Fast forward to black holes. Can you believe that not too far back in history, these mind-blowing space phenomena were merely theoretical? Way back in the 1910s, trailblazers like Carl Schwarzschild started studying what would eventually become our understanding of black holes. Talk about paving the way for some out-of-this-world discoveries. Get ready for some mind-blowing cosmic twists. In '67, scientists stumbled upon neutron stars, and that sparked a new quest for something just as mysterious: black holes. Fast forward to 2019 when the Event Horizon Telescope dropped the first ever image of a black hole, leaving us all starstruck. Today, astronomers are going wild on black hole research, so we're learning more about these cosmic monsters than ever before. But that's not all, folks. Let's dive into another space sensation: Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, but later downgraded to dwarf planet status after a dramatic identity crisis in the early 90s. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. In the cosmic discovery parade, Pluto's story took some dramatic turns after its tiny peers popped up in the 90s and early 2000s. This led to a major shakeup in 2006 when the International Astronomical Union redefined what makes a planet, and guess what? Pluto was officially downgraded to dwarf planet status. Now, you might wonder, what did our favorite tiny world do next? Well, it was about to get its close-up. In 2015, the New Horizons spacecraft made history with a flyby of Pluto, unveiling its breathtaking beauty that left us starstruck. Who can resist a heart-shaped feature on a distant world? Scientists dubbed this charming Mark Tombaugh Regio, and we're still in awe. But before diving into this cosmic charm, let's set our sights on something even more mind-bending: gravitational waves. Get ready to blast off into some serious mind-blowing territory. Scientists believe that ripples in space-time, called gravitational waves, would travel outward from their cosmic source at light speed, and the geniuses Henri Poincaré and Albert Einstein were right on the same wavelength, theorizing this back in 1905 and 1916 respectively. Fast forward to 2015, a game-changing collaboration between LIGO and Virgo made history by catching those elusive gravitational waves for the very first time. We've come a long way, but who's to say what other astronomical predictions we might be on the cusp of confirming? The cosmic journey doesn't end here. Thanks for blasting off with us through the top 10 out-of-this-world space discoveries. If you're as stoked about space exploration as we are, hit that thumbs up button and become a part of our stellar community by subscribing to our channel for more mind-blowing content waiting to launch.